How to fix Roblox lost connection due to an error problem? Let's see how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, long press on Roblox app, tap and hold, then tap on I button, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, OK to confirm, go back to previous page, tap on app permission and make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one, camera, then contact, microphone, notification, show notification on, and go back, go to Play Store and search here Roblox. Update your Roblox app if it's available for updates, then open your Roblox app. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem easily. Thanks for watching. If it's found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.